Hi, I'm Frank. In this video, I'm going to be looking at the Viz Detector BT10 car battery tester. It's nice that we have battery testers now that are full featured at a very, very reasonable cost. It's not always a nice thing when you try to start your car and it won't start. Being able to get an idea of the health of the battery on a periodic basis is something that can save you grief in the long run. So let's see how well this works. The Viz Detector BT10 comes in the box. It has a manual, the unit itself with the attached cables. This unit measures from 8 to 16 volts DC, which will be good for motorcycles, cars, boats, in-vehicle and out-of-vehicle battery test, which is great, particularly if you have a car where the battery is located under the seat. Works with batteries that are compliant with, and a whole string of things there. Tests all 12-volt lead acid batteries, including regular flooded, AGM flat plate, AGM spiral, GEE, and EFB. Performs a number of tests, including voltage, ripple test, load test, internal resistance, alternator test, and stator test, which is particularly good for boats that may have a stator instead of an alternator. Now, I've been playing with this for a little while, so my battery voltage right now is a tad low. I can tell you when I first started it, it was normal and checked well. But let's go ahead and check this. We'll do a check, in vehicle, battery test. And it says check surface charge, turn lights on, take headlights on for about 10 seconds and then turn off. I'm going to have a regular flooded, CCA, 400 amp, testing. And it tells me that my battery is good, gives me my internal resistance, and it does say to recharge, which is what I would expect with as much as I've been playing with it before doing this. So we're in a good shape here. Now, let's get out of here. I'm going to check in vehicle cranking test. Start that, turn engine off, it's off before pressing enter. Press enter, start engine. So I'm going to come around to the car and start the engine up. Come back around here, cranking normal, that's good. Charging test. And coming back around now to my tester. And it gives me my charging voltages, and I'm charging fine. So that's a good test. So all in all, this Viz Detector BT10 I think is a very nice little battery testing unit. I do like it. I can recommend it. It does test from the jump points, which some battery testers will not do. This will. That makes it a lot easier because otherwise you're digging under the seat to try to find the battery itself to be able to test it. And this doesn't require that, which I do like a lot. So I can recommend it. I'll give it a thumbs up. And if this has been helpful to you, then please hit the like and subscribe. I appreciate it. It helps the channel. And happy motoring.